I'm going to explain the concept of tones and semitones on the piano. Ever heard of these terms and don't understand what they really mean? They are terms used in describing musical intervals. But if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I want to encourage you now. Just click on the subscription tab just below. You can always get my latest content. So semitones are the smallest musical intervals between a note and the next note. You can call them half tones or half steps. The distance between this key, between a key and the next key, is a semitone. That is, two semitones make a tone. The distance between this key and the next key, there is an imaginary distance known as the semitone. Just all over the distance between this and the next key to it, this distance here is a semitone. Now, to make a full tone, you need to add another semitone to it. That is, two semitones make a tone. So the distance between this to this is a semitone. Now the distance between this key to the next key is another semitone. So that means the distance between this key to this is a semitone, and from here to this another semitone. So the distance between this key to this key is a complete tone. This is applicable to all the keys. So the distance between, let's say this C, the distance between C and C sharp is a semitone. It doesn't matter whether it's a black key or a white key. The distance between this key and this is a semitone, and the distance between this black key next to the white key, there is D, is also a semitone. So to make a complete tone, is the distance between two semitones makes one tone. So the distance between here and here, we have two semitones, one semitone here and the second semitone here, that is two semitones to make a tone. So that is that about tones and semitones. You can also call tones can also be called, a tone can be called a whole step, and a semitone can also be called half step.